If you're looking for a product that will help you to attract wealth, success, and good luck into your life, Manifestation Magic is as good as any other law of attraction book/course out there. In fact, it's better than most. The testimonials and the fact that it's a runaway bestseller online with thousands of copies sold is proof that it works. The creator of this course, Alexander Wilson, is probably using the same techniques to manifest this successful product. After all, you're watching this video, aren't you? But what brought you here? The law of attraction works if you know what you're doing. Manifestation Magic with its audio tracks and guide will help you become a magnet that attracts whatever you want. Most people repel what they want and attract what they don't. Their thinking and brainwaves are off. This product fixes the problem so that you don't get in your own way. Finally, your visualization and effort will pay off. Manifestation Magic will remove your mental and emotional blocks so that you're a conduit of positive energy that allows the universe to readily give you your heart's desires. It's all within your reach. It always was. Use the audio tracks today. Get Manifestation Magic now. Click the link below this video for more.